titties purple, they plastic. I like my money Jurassic. This pussy pop back elastic. You bitches don't want no static. Catch one of you hoes in traffic. Flip one of you bitches gymnastic. Hit and run is my tatty. Y'all be reaching, I'm grabbing. Wait, nigga, I'm bagging.
Hey Luxers, welcome back to my channel. For those of you passing by for the first time, my name is Kristen Moore, and in this channel we discuss everything lifestyle, luxury, and beauty. So for those of you tuning in for the first time, please, if this is something that you like to discuss, this is things that you like to hear about, I am your girl. So with that being said, with no further ado, please like, comment, and subscribe, and also share. Spread the love. Share it. Share me all over the place. So today we're gonna discuss, as you guys can see in the section in the description box below, my birthday gifts and what I got for my birthday, with a little bit of unboxing. I mean, you're gonna want to stay tuned for this unboxing, honey, because this is tea, Miss Thing. So I'm gonna unbox something like very rare, very hard to get from Hermes today.
Oh my god, what is that?
So hopefully you guys would watch this video through it all. I'm gonna unbox something very, very special. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. My birthday came. I was really, really excited. This birthday was more a very serious one for me. I felt as though, like, my previous year has been a really, really, really tough one. It's been really, a give and take. It's been a weird year. So, it's been where blessings come as long with dramas come as well. I mean, you just can't have it all. And it actually rained for me. And
child. Anyway, so.
And when it rains, it pours, and problems comes in threes. So I had a lot of issues to deal with, but besides that, you know what? I am grateful I lived to see another year of life, which I'm truly, truly, truly happy and grateful for. So with that being said, I mean, who's complaining here? So I had a lovely birthday dinner followed by a night at the xoxo. Shout out to my best friend Leah for organizing that. It was a movie. Shout out to Kim Nikki as well for singing for me. Like, I don't know if you guys know her, but Kim Nikki, her voice, Miss Thing, having a friend that's an artist and that could always, spread their vocals and just, make you feel so loved and appreciated is not even funny. So shout out to Kim for that, and shout out to all my friends and everyone that made my day really, really special. For all of you that wished me happy birthday, thank you so much. I got a lot of messages, got a lot of DMs, texts, posts, comments, calls. Really, really, truly appreciate it. Now, I had my birthday wish list. I don't think I ever discussed my birthday wish list, but out of all the things that were on my wish list, I could now say that there was a couple of items that I did not get, which was the Louis Vuitton key pal in the special edition. I didn't get any of that. I did not get my Hermes pillow, unfortunately. There was none in stock. But with no further ado, let's go to discuss the things that I did got and unbox and show for you guys. So my wish list was pretty straightforward. I had my Hermes pillow on there. I had my pair of Hermes Orans, Hermes belt, Valentino belts, Prada boots, Prada jacket. Yeah, pretty much that was it. Now the Prada jacket, apparently it was not available in store because my better half wanted to get me the Prada jacket and the Prada boots. So we went looking for the Prada jacket. The one that I want was no longer available in store. We, however, see it online, but I wanted to try it on. So I wasn't too keen on ordering online and then, I don't like it. So, and then there's no refund with Prada. So I will end up with a store credit or a gift certificate for the amount of the jacket, which I have no intentions of having. And I have no intentions of paying that kind of money for a winter jacket that I probably might not like how it looks on. So that's why I decided not to bother with it anymore, which I'm not really fussed about it anyway, because at the end of the day, you know, I got a lot of other jackets. It's fine. It's not the end of the world. So with that being said, without further ado, I managed to get my Prada boots. I am super duper happy. It's out of the box already. I wore these babies literally already. I love them. Love them, love them, love them, love them, love them. They are just super duper 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 amazing, darling. So with these Prada boots, I wore them a couple of times. They look chunky and heavy. I guess you guys probably saw reviews about them or whatever already. If you guys didn't, then okay. My personal, I'm gonna do a review over it on my birthday stuff. So I'm gonna do what I got for my birthday video, which this is the video for that, and then I'm gonna have another video coming out soon, which will be my review on my birthday gifts. So with this being said, my Prada chunky boots, it's a bit of a hassle to get on and off. But trust me, honey, when she is pumping through these, honey, she is pumping for the gods, Miss Thing. She is pumping for the gods. Okay, girl? So with that being said, honey, she is going to pump money. She's going to pump, honey. She's going to pump. So my boyfriend got me these. Thank you so much. I really super duper excited about them. Can't wait to travel. Can't wait to make as much use as I can in it. I also got a Apple pen. I love it. I needed one of these so bad for my iPad Pro, so I could just, you know, edit my stuff, write my stuff. I just felt like this is really amazing. So kudos to my cousin for going the extra mile, and my very good friend for going to get this for me. I really truly appreciate it so much. Then I got myself a nice little twirly. Now this is where it gets a bit confusing, because people might be like, but we saw that when you went to Barcelona. So yes, these stuff I got on my Barcelona trip, and the purpose of the trip was for to collect an item that I was told that is there for me, and I just made the best out of it. So rather than just flying out to go get something from Hermes in Barcelona, I just made it a whole vacation out of it with my homegirls. So it was just the best of both worlds and having a lot of fun. So with no further ado, so everything that I got in Barcelona was pretty much my birthday gift to myself. So I got this beautiful twirly, which is a beautiful Briche de Gala twirly, which I am going to use on one of my bags. I just love this, and I just love the fact that it's so patriotic. So it's the red, white and blue. For those of you who don't know, I am a Dutch background, and yeah, I love my red, white and blue. It also is in St. Martin's flag. So with no further ado, I would proceed to the next item. I also got myself a lovely perfume set by Dolce & Gabbana, the one of my favorite fragrances. And the funny thing about it is, when this fragrance came out, and I think it was like early 2000s, this fragrance is pretty old. This is like at least 12 to 15 years old, for those of you that don't know, honey. So me getting one of this, I was super excited, because I actually had this fragrance, and it is one of my favorite fragrances from Dolce & Gabbana till this day. So I really and truly love it. Smells amazing, and I just love me a Dolce moment. This one first and save the best for last. So I've been trying to get these baddies for a very long time, so I managed to get some gold orans from Hermes, size 41.5. So you guys see, is it not focusing there? Yeah, perfect. So I managed to get these. Super excited, because this is very hard to get in store and online. Whenever I want to get one of these, it's like sold out. So for me, it was like, oh, okay. So I gonna jump right into it. Obviously, I'm gonna save the whole story for when I do I'm gonna do a video on my Hermes item that I got. I'm not gonna say what it is yet, but yes. So one of the Hermes items that I got for my birthday, I'm gonna do a whole haul about it, so you guys will get more in depth the story behind that bag. So yeah, my other pair, the other side. I am really excited with my purchase. So birthday gift to myself, of course. Always, you know, if you ain't got you, who's gonna have you, boo?
Period.
Yeah. So this baby right here, I'm just gonna open it here because so this baby right here is my creme de la creme. Let me have a sip of drink, honey, because she is getting me super duper excited this day. Creme de la creme. I starting to call my sale associates in Hermes my Hermes fairies, because I don't believe that there are just people that help you sell or associated with sales or your sales representative SR anymore. I believe these people are actually fairies. So I'm gonna get into that story in another video, so please stay tuned next week or week after for that. However, I am gonna get into showing you guys this body that I got for my birthday. So it's in a color that I love. If you guys remember one of my previous videos, I talked about an item that I actually asked for and I end up getting something else. I'm going to list this video in the caption below if you guys are interested in seeing this video as well, where I was unboxing a Hermes item, a Hermes Kelly, and I told you guys more about it in depth. And I end up not getting the color I wanted, but I end up getting something within the umbrella. So for those of you who know how Hermes work, you would ask, say a color. So let's say if you say yellow, there's a whole range of yellow. So you might say you want yellow, preferably jaune ombre. However, you're open to others if you say that. And let's say one pop up, they will send you a call or a text or email and say to you, hey, we have a curry here for you, or we have a jaune naps here for you, you know, or a lime here for you, or you interested. And therefore, you know, you will go see it. If it's something that you really like, you get it. If not, you could kindly decline, like I've done numerous times. So with no further ado and me not boring you guys anymore, that I'm already boring you guys, I am showing you guys my latest baby addition to my Hermes family. I am super duper duper happy with this baby. I just love her, and trust me, I wore her for my birthday on the day I'm already started to make really good memories with her. My first purchase in Barcelona, to be fair, not outside of the Europe. My first purchase in Barcelona after, you know, going so much times and asking and putting myself on the list there. Yeah, so with that being said, that's pretty much, I also was able to get a lot of monetary gifts. Still there to get my Hermes pillow. I got a lot of gifts from my essay at Dior, my essay at Louis Vuitton. I also have a really good friends that told me to like just let them know when I'm able to come and pick something out. So yeah, a couple bits still come, but mainly the ones that I show you today, those were my babies that I got, and I am super duper 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 excited. Hermes Kelly, before I leave, besides my Hermes Kelly, there's one item that actually like kind of like twinkles my heart, and it's weird. So I appreciative of all of my gifts. I love them to bits, but there's this one gift that stood out the most to me, and it was like, oh my god, I actually finally have one, because I kind of refused to pay for one or get one on my own. I mean, I've been seeing them around for a very long time. I just feel it's kind of like an upgrade now, girl. Like, I've actually upgraded to the Bad Bee Club. Like, so I was like, oh my god, I'm super super duper excited. And you know what, they said great thing comes in small packages. So one of my friends, she went out of her way to get me one of these, and I really truly appreciate it. I was so not expecting this, and she was like, I saw this and I was like, girl, I think she would be so happy to have this. So it is the La Creme Men, so I think it's hand cream, texture rich hand cream from Chanel. I am super duper excited because I always see these in pictures. It's like the egg thingy. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I actually have one of these. Like, I'm super super duper excited. So I could actually have cute pictures like all of the grammars, honey. I've upgraded, bitch. So yeah, this is definitely one of my top with it. So with all of my gifts in my top 3, this is definitely in my top 3, and in no order. So I definitely super duper excited about this. So with no further ado, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and as I always say, until next time.
Yep. I like my money Jurassic. This pussy pop back elastic. You bitches don't want no static. Catch one of you hoes in traffic. Flip one of you bitches gymnastic. Hit and run is my tatty. Y'all be reaching, I'm grabbing. Wait, nigga, I'm bagging.